Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW iX versus BMW iX3. The iX is a purpose-built electric vehicle designed from the ground up for electric power. In contrast, the iX3 is an electric version of the popular X3 SUV, sharing its core structure. This fundamental difference impacts everything from design to performance, offering distinct experiences for drivers. When it comes to power, the iX truly stands out, with its most potent version delivering up to 650 horsepower. The iX3, while still capable, offers a solid 463 horsepower from its dual motors. For range, the iX typically provides over 300 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for longer journeys. The iX3 offers a very respectable range of around 400 miles, perfect for daily commutes. Inside, the iX presents a futuristic cabin with a striking curved display that seamlessly combines the instrument cluster and infotainment. The iX3, however, features a large central screen and a more minimalist approach, moving away from some traditional buttons. Both vehicles provide high-quality materials and excellent connectivity, ensuring a premium experience for all occupants. Finally, let's talk about cost and practicality. The BMW iX typically comes with a higher price tag, reflecting its advanced platform and technology. The iX3 offers a more accessible entry point into BMW's electric lineup, making it a great value. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers. Ultimately, your choice depends on your budget and how you plan to use your electric SUV every day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.